Hello, my name is Sergio Brijandez. I am an English and Spanish tutor. I worked over 35 years and I mainly given classes or tutoring classes in businesses, in the business environment, factories, but I've also been able to work in schools, language schools. I usually have groups of about 20 to 30 people and have structured their curricula for studies in a way that's practical and they can integrate their business uh, knowledge or business usage just to make it practical for them to use the language. But I also have for many years done one-on-one tutoring with people, English mainly, but also Spanish. I'm gonna speak in Spanish right now. Mi nombre de nuevo es Sergio Brijandez, yo soy nativo de México y he dado muchas clases en inglés y también en español a norteamericanos porque estoy vivo en frontera y estoy constantemente involucrado con actividades de negocios con norteamericanos en las empresas aquí locales. Estoy a su disposición para trabajar como tutor en el idioma español y si es necesario, pues también puedo apoyar en inglés. That is a review of my capacities as a tutor in English and in Spanish. Thank you and hope to hear from you soon. Bye.